Parents, teachers, and child caregivers gathered last Saturday to attend the talk entitled Understanding and Supporting Your Child's Mental Health with registered psychologist and certified specialist in counseling and developmental psychology, Dr. Angie Sievert-Fernandez. Dr. Fernandez, who's one of only 3 certified child life specialists in the country is certified by the Child Life Council USA, encouraged the forum's participants to be observant of cues in their children for manifestations of anxiety and depressive disorders, which are the most common mental health issues experienced by kids today.
Always see if it affects daily functioning. Always try to see, does it affect everyday life at home? Does it affect everyday life in school? Does it affect interaction? Does it affect his friendships? That's one of the things that you need to really look at. Second, what you want to look at? You want to see, is it affecting his sleep? Is it affecting his eating patterns? Is it affecting his interactions?
The risks of these disorders are when children display difficult temperament, low self-esteem, and a negative thinking style. Family dynamics can also contribute to these, especially when there is disharmony and instability at home, the practice of harsh or punitive discipline styles, or when parents themselves have mental health issues. She expressed concern at how depression has now been identified as the leading illness in the world, caused by several factors, which include the COVID-19 pandemic.
They expected it a few years from now, but because of the pandemic, because of social media and everything else that has been happening, it actually hastened it. But the number one now is depression. Can you imagine? And it's impacting people.
She encouraged parents to always nurture their relationship with their children through communication and play, but also stressed the importance of establishing boundaries.
Clear expectations. What I found over the years, especially the last few years, what I found is that parents are scared to put boundaries. Parents are scared to let their children feel bad. You don't have to be scared of that because it is actually extremely vital for children to have those boundaries as long as they're set properly.
Another key strategy that she discussed was the importance of focused listening.
Listening happens when I'm quiet. You have my full attention. My eyes, my ears, my heart, my body is listening to you. Would you like to read?
This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.